Let's open this box. This game is for 8+ years. It has a manual. And these things are in this box. It is a very detailed manual and it has instructions about every experiment. So, there are total 101 experiments.
Now let's see what is in the box.
A plastic spoon, paintbrush, black cardboard, 3 test tubes.
Wow, there are 3 test tubes also.
Also a cork to seal these test tubes like this. A funnel, we have red coloring, green coloring, citric acid, gelatin, and baking soda.
Wow, this is
pH paper with a pH card. We are also provided with some sand. A magnifying glass, a stand for test tubes,
it is a cardboard stand and you can properly make it as a stand to place your test tubes.
we have 3 cups, some seeds, a volcano shaped mold,
This is used for volcano experiments.
and a dopper. So that's all.
So it appears like a good box and we can do many experiments from this set.
This is a very good thing for children.
And we can enjoy doing all the experiments. It is from Ekta Toys. And you can buy it online in Flipkart and Amazon or from your local stationery toy shop.